What's going on, everyone? Taylor here. Another episode, another great day. Today we have something very neat in store for y'all. We got Joe's SUV here. Shout out to Joe for letting us use it, and Lyle's dolly. We are getting ready to head down to Austin. We've got a couple tools in the back, a few small things that we may need. We're going down to pick up a surprise for y'all. This one's a little bit different. It's gonna be fun, so stay tuned. Let's get into this. All right, y'all, so we're trying to get out of here, and look what just pulled up. Them dudes got some explaining to do. So we're getting ready to hit the road. Let's get this adventure on the way. We brought James along today. We got the wife. Let's go get our new project. Stopped here at Berry Creek, getting some gas. We got our trailer lights on in there. This thing actually pulls that little dolly surprisingly well. It's gonna be an expensive trip. Let's go get this thing. Oh. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all, we are Austin bound. We're probably about an hour out yet, I would say. Hopefully traffic's not too bad. Yeah. He said he did have the toll pass. Would that be, I wonder if it'd be easier to get down there. Oh, well. Too late now, we just missed our toll, but that's all right. We'll take the interstate, take it easy. It's gonna be a slow trip home. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. It kind of looks like we could get some rain out there today. James got us some gas station food. Our bellies are gonna be sick.
Right. Austin back.
Yep. Tail end of a clean Chevy there. Nice quiet pickup. We were hoping to dodge traffic, but as y'all see, lots of traffic.
That's Austin.
Yep, good old Austin, Texas. So, we'll fill y'all in when we get there. It could be a while. Alright, y'all. We are coming up on our destination here. Hasn't taken us too long. No? 1.9? Oh, it's right up here. Found it.
Texas barbecue. Woo! Season.
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah.
Check it out, y'all. We came for some barbecue.
Be a cool biker spot too.
So this is today's video. Wanted to share with y'all a little barbecue experience. And yeah, let's go check this place out. Check out this guy's backyard, basically. Turn it into a barbecue shack. All sorts of neat old stuff. Old tractor, old signs. Look at this. Is that a fishing lure? Is that what that's supposed to be? Like a representation? Is that? Check that out, y'all.
It's like an old ride or something. Like
Yeah. That is crazy.
On a tractor.
Huh, on a tractor. So we just made a drive. Traffic wasn't too bad. We cruised on through it. All right, y'all ready for it? Careful, James. She's from 37. Yes. Here it is. Oh yeah. We came down to pick up a 37 Plymouth. We found this thing online and had to have it. Just had to have it. Got an old good old Spidey friend. Huh? Nope, that one ain't for sure. That one ain't gonna hold nothing. I know the other side opens. So Rochelle and I came down, what, a couple days ago, and checked her out. It's got the original straight 6. Apparently it still runs, just needs a little bit of wiring, some fuel, real minimal. But check it out, y'all. We're gonna try to get this thing on the car dolly. It might fit with those fenders.
In the back, I think it
The fronts might even. I mean, if we just jack it up and set it on there. All right, y'all, so we're waiting for the owner to come, and then we're gonna do all the exchanging, all the fun stuff, and then let y'all enjoy us loading this thing up. Oh man, we are excited. 37 Plymouth. Huh?
Better try and get your Spidey out.
He'll ride all the way back with us. We got a Spidey in there that we're gonna take back. Charlotte's Web's going with us. Oh look, that eggs. Ooh yeah. It'll all ride. It'll all ride.
I'll blow off over it.
Yep. Cool. Let's get this thing loaded.
Orange for the win today, huh?
Yeah.
Done this before or something.
We've used it a few times.
Perfect. That'll probably work.
Now the hard part.
Lifting it and get it on.
Are we if we're out of the way here? I think we can just. Yeah, I think we can keep her with it where she sits. Okay.
Alright, get out your way.
A little off.
Let me try to line up a little bit.
That's a little better.
Come on. Come on.
She ain't got no guts.
Four-wheel drive, homie. Four low.
I don't want this ball to break. Be my luck. Let me buy a homeboy a bag of bumper.
Strap, or are you gonna try jacking?
We could do either.
Then we can strap it right here.
Yep.
Could probably do both. And where are you jacking her up from, Tay?
The transmission, because it's cast iron.
Okay.
Pick it up off that and hopefully stab it.
Yeah.
You do that, you get my hair up. Yeah, I'll work that if you want to truck the.
Do what?
I'll work this if you want to get the truck.
I ain't got nothing to do until that's up in there.
Oh.
That'd probably be it right there, James.
One could hope.
Try it.
How are we looking on that other side, Michelle?
It's looking good.
Keep coming.
Clear the fender?
Yeah.
Hold up. Yeah, you're clear. Come on with it.
And just a little bit more. You're on. Oh, fenders are good.
Oh man, look how easy that was. I was over here stressing it. Like, nothing's gonna fit.
At least they go stop in there at the tires.
It's gonna take everything apart. Yeah, we just barely gotta roll our weight and lock her in. Oh shoot, look at that already.
She wanted to go.
Woo! She ready to go home to clutch another on.
Oh, those are cool. Like old lanterns.
The grease spray?
Yep.
Little candle in there for home?
Shit. Look how easy that was, y'all. I'm over here stressing it all. And it was easy. Now these are gonna be our challenge.
Yeah, these are pain.
These are Lyle homemade special straps. Now these are gonna be the taskers.
Alright.
Shout out to Lyle for letting us use them, but they are definitely homemade. So
Worn
you can
out.
see here, they've been
Fishing line.
shaved and reshaved, and they got fishing
spider
string and Or spider web?
I don't know what that's fishing string. Or
Is it
fishing
fishing
nylon or something. Hell, I don't know. It's Lyle.
It's some of
It
that
could be
Lyle.
goat intestine. Homemade rope.
See all the above.
Strap side to the front.
Yes, sir. Alright. The ghetto homemadeness. I just gotta remember how to do it.
You got this.
Well, the strap only goes so far on this one. I remember that. And then you have to just let it
Break
find
itself.
So it goes this way.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
We fought with this thing a few times.
You got that dolly?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's like the saving grace, so we kind of got a good sense of how to use her down.
What's the plans for it?
Basically a full resto. We own a paint body shop.
Okay.
We're just kind of getting it open, so we're hoping that we can do some work on this. My dad, he's got 35 years paint body experience, so he's like, man, I can work that thing. Let's go pick it up.
Yeah.
All right, so, and then we're gonna just get it kind of running with what it is, put it around town, and then eventually build
It ran
something.
fine, dude. The motor rated strong.
Yeah.
I drove it in the parking lot out here. It didn't have any brakes at the time, and I had to hot wire it, but
Sure.
it was running.
Yeah.
Like I said, it
Awesome.
came from North Dakota, and on the door it said Jake's service or something like that. And the rear fenders it said, "Don't cuss, call us."
That's awesome. Okay. Huh.
Yeah. Before this, I used to have a hot rod shop, and I was building cars and doing
Okay.
stuff, and
I was gonna ask, you got some real neat stuff floating around.
did the whole Discovery Channel show bullshit.
You
all
look
that
familiar.
stuff. Texas Car Wars.
Okay.
That's what it was, where they did the bidding and stuff?
Yeah.
That's where I knew you from. I was like, man, this dude looks familiar, but I didn't want to ask.
So yeah, my hands are a little too destroyed now to keep doing that kind of work. So took
Yeah.
on my other passions.
Some barbecuing, huh?
Yes, sir.
That's
Third
awesome.
generation.
Dang.
Yeah. And we got some safety chains. How long have you owned the truck then?
I've had it here for about 2.5 years.
Okay.
Maybe 3 years.
Dang.
Rocks out there.
Yeah, I got a jack strap. I probably put it around this. Frame. Long strap here. Without the wood in it, it's not very stable at all.
I think we brought more than we needed, but that works out.
Yeah, that'd be great.
We didn't expect it to go on so easy.
No.
Which tells me the trip home's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Something's going to go wrong.
Keep it under
Loading.
55, brother.
Uh-huh.
55. Make everybody go around you, so.
Yep. I'm not gonna hurry. Oh, it's in neutral. We're just pushing it around.
Want to strap that box together?
Yeah, let's throw a strap all the way around her. Give her a belly strap.
I'm gonna drag my compressor out over here on the other side, so if y'all need to add air to any of these tires before you leave, you can hit
That'd
it
be
all.
awesome. Yeah, if we
Awesome.
could throw it in that one, that'd be great. Yeah, let's just kind of go, if we got enough strap, can we go all the way around it?
We're on
I
the
was,
bed?
thinking about just banding it this way so that it can't flop. You know what I mean? Pull it tight.
Right, but I don't want doors to open,
I
hood
got
to
you.
open. So if we just go all the way around the nose, belly, everything,
Well, you hook where you want to wrap all the way
to
around.
each other, yeah, so we'll grab another one.
Ah. Okay. It's not going to reach.
So who else has a little Fast and Furious on their mind driving next to these big old concrete barriers? Look at that. You can see that car, they would have made it. All these semis are getting over in front of us. But I just had a little Fast and Furious on my mind. Figured we'd share it. Little Austin traffic. Got the old 37 back there. This thing's pulling it not too bad, actually. I mean, we're not going very fast, but can't hardly tell it's back there. How many fender benders will we see today?
We got one.
Yeah. And we're stopped. Catch y'all when we get back to the shop. Another one bites the dust. Dum, dum, dum. Another one bites the dust. Hey, look, another accident right over there. Yep.
And another one.
And then these nice people just over here fishing, enjoying their day.
Bike ride.
Some pedestrians out cruising.
Hey, get the fuck out the way.
Hey.
Look down real quick. When you're getting passed by bike traffic.
Yeah. Oh, used tires. We better go get some used tires for the truck. It seems to be mowing all right. We're going slow, but just sitting back there. Right. I think the tires got some flat spots in them. They've been sitting a while, but
round them out.
yeah, we'll round them out along the way. So I brought James to help, and he's just kind of along for the ride now because
it's too easy.
We thought we were gonna have to remove a bunch of stuff and cut a bunch of stuff and do a bunch of stuff, but
Don't jump! It's not worth it!
Don't do it!
Is that not even a real person? That's a statue. He's not gonna jump.
Yeah, that's true.
It looked like a person though, didn't
Oh, that's good. That's good. We're yelling at this dude not jump off
How
the
about
roof.
you?
And
You
it
don't
ain't a
jump.
roof. You don't jump.
it? It's not worth it. Those are real. I swear.
Those guys might be. We don't just yell at fake people because. No. Check it out, y'all. We broke 60. We are cruising with the traffic. Heck yeah, making some time. Not overheating. Looking good.
I don't think they think
Let's
we're
keep
cruising.
trucking. Yeah. And another one. Man, people need to slow down around here.
Dodge Dart with a hood scoop.
Yeah, he was quick.
Lucky to catch him.
Yeah. Woo, watch out for them Dodge Darts, y'all.
Get you.
Get you. So we're almost back home. We got probably another 20-30 miles here. Then we'll be back to the shop and unload this and call it a day. All right, y'all. Yeah, so we made it back. We got the 37 here. We're gonna get this thing unloaded. Since it's not nearly as much fun as we thought it was gonna be, I was waiting for a show, pulling fenders, taking it apart. I didn't think it was gonna go on, but this thing just went right on the dolly. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. We'll have a lot more content coming on this thing here in the near future. I gotta bust a few customer projects out. We got the white Mustang, the GTO, a few little projects to get knocked out, and then we will be starting in on this. So thanks for watching. Catch y'all in the next episode.